Welcome back. We are here looking at the foreign exchange market, and this is going to be my daily forecast for Tuesday, April 20th, 2021. If you'd like to support the channel, you're welcome to hit the subscribe button down here in the corner, hit the like button and the bell button to see our news videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. So we'll start by looking at the Great British Pound and the US dollar. And first of all, the US dollar has been basically falling apart the last 2.5 weeks. And today was another day where it depreciated significantly against most other major currency. And as you can see here in the Great British Pound US dollar, it rose 1.10% at this current stage, and that's a massive rally to the upside. We're trading way above the 50-minute week average, and at this point we could see a pullback towards the 50-minute week average before going higher. At this current stage, it looks like we are going to retest these previous highs here at 14.25 and probably even go higher than that. So if you look at the Bollinger Band, for example, we are significantly outside here, so a pullback could be expected. Rallies like this usually don't last, and they need a pullback before going higher. So the 50-minute average is around this area, which is give or take 1386. So yes, that's probably where this would head to before going higher. So if you look at MACD, it is entering positive territory. It's above the signal line. We can see that the RSI is also bullish, the CCI is bullish, and also stochastic is also very bullish. This is definitely the market that has changed direction towards the upside. So let's look at the US dollar, Japanese yen, and this, of course, completely opposite, basically has been falling apart in the last 3 weeks. So we're trading way underneath the 50-minute average, and at this current stage, it looks like the 100-minute average will be the target here. We could see a pullback towards the 50-minute average, so a pullback, give or take, of 0.4% could be expected before continuing towards the 100-minute average down here at 106 to 515. So if you look at the MACD, it's entering negative territory. It is very bearish. The same is for the RSI. It's very bearish and significantly oversold at this point. So a pullback could be expected as well. So CCI is bearish. The stochastic is bearish. And you can see here in the Bollinger Band, we're getting fairly overstretched. So this could pull back all the way up towards the middle of the Bollinger Band, or around half of this area, around 109, give or take. That's probably where sellers will come back in and sell us to the downside. If we basically rally above the 20 exponential, we'll most likely find resistance around 109, 907. So let's look at the euro US dollar, and as you can see, we also here we have rallied towards the upside. It looks like we are creating a new channel here where we are basically going to bounce from. If we basically break down from here, and then we'll most likely find resistant support, at the 50-moving average. So a pullback from here towards the 50, that's give or take almost 1%. That will most likely find major support down here at the 50-moving average. We can see that we are fairly overstretched and we're significantly overbought at this point, so pullback should be expected. However, a break above the 100-moving average, well, that will basically means that we'll go and target these previous highs again. But if that happens, that basically means that we'll be significantly overstretched here in the Bollinger Band, and we'll probably break back towards the middle. But at this current stage, we also have the crossings of the 20 and the 40 moving average towards the 50, and that's an additional bullish shine for this market. So pullback towards the 50, that's probably what is going to happen here before going higher. Other technical indicators are very bullish indeed. However, we're significantly overbought and fairly overstretched here in the Bollinger Band. So let's look at the Aussie dollar, US dollar. So as you can see, we also rallied quite significantly here in the Aussie dollar, and then gave most of those gains back. So we are well above the 50-moving average. We are going to have a crossing here of the 20 and the 40. And pullbacks towards the 50 will most likely have a lot of support. We're getting fairly significantly outside here of the Bollinger Band, and other technical indicators are still significantly or very bullish at this current stage. So pullback towards the 50, that will most likely be where buyers will come back in and buy this to the upside. At this moment, we are significantly overstretched, and the pullback it should be expected at this point. So US dollar, Canadian dollar. So this did rally. So this was expected to basically fall towards these previous lows as the US dollar started to depreciate. But at this point, we have rallied up towards the 20 exponential, and we can see that it is basically holding. 50 and the 40 are just above, and it's probably where this basically will stop. Most likely this will fall towards these previous lows, and that is a drop of give or take 1.29%. Technical indicators, they are fairly mixed. We're still in negative territory here in the MACD, and it's underneath the signal line. RSI is negative, CCI is bearish, and so is the stochastic. We are approaching the middle of the Bollinger Band, and that should be significant resistance. So, hope you find this helpful. You're welcome to support the channel by subscribing, hit the like button and the bell button to see our new videos, and you're welcome to join us over at Patreon. The link is down below. Good luck and thank you very much.